In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wait longer for Windows Outlook offline calendar support. If you travel, work in spotty Wi-Fi, or just want peace of mind when the internet drops, Outlook's offline mode can keep your email, calendar, and contacts available. The idea is simple. Your browser securely stores a local copy, so you can open your calendar, check events, and even draft updates, then syncs changes when you're back online. Here's how to check and turn it on. Start by opening Outlook in your web browser and signing into your account. You'll land in your inbox, which is perfect. Everything we need is available from here. In the top right corner, click the settings gear icon to open the quick settings panel. This panel is handy for small tweaks, but for what we need, look for the link to open the full settings window. That gives you access to the complete set of options. Inside Settings, find the General section in the left sidebar. General is where Outlook keeps foundational preferences, things like language, time, and, importantly, offline options. Select General to reveal its subsections. Next, locate the offline settings entry within General. If it's available to your account, you'll see an option labeled Enable Offline Email, Calendar, and People. Turn this on. Your browser may prompt you to allow Outlook to store data for offline use. Go ahead and approve it. Once enabled, Outlook begins caching recent mail, your calendar items, and your contacts. The first sync can take a few minutes depending on your mailbox size, so let it run. Keeping the tab open during this initial setup helps the process complete smoothly. Afterward, you'll be able to open Calendar and view your schedule even when you're disconnected, and any changes you make will sync the next time you're online. A quick but important note: offline support is still rolling out and is limited to certain account types and regions. If you don't see the offline option or the toggle is missing, your account might not support it yet. There's nothing wrong with your setup. Availability can depend on the type of Outlook account you're using and organizational policies. In that case, keep an eye on updates from Microsoft and try again later. Once your account becomes eligible, the offline setting will appear under General and you can enable it as shown. That's it. By checking settings, navigating to General, and turning on offline mode, you set up Outlook to keep your calendar ready when the internet isn't. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay productive wherever you are.